We identified early on when COVID started that the capper device that our clinical team uses had a breakaway tab that failed when the mask was removed, and we needed to get some more, and the vendor couldn't supply them. So the only way we thought to do it was with a 3D printer. One of our staff, Artem, decided to step up and learn it and really ran away with the whole project.
I knew a little bit of CAD from school. Everything else using 3D printer I learned from internet, blogs, YouTube. It was a lot of trial and error.
It was an absolute necessity to do this. The clinical team wanted those masks. So we quickly said, wow, this is a powerful tool. What else can we do? And Artem very quickly designed a strain relief for a very expensive cable. In a year's time, we figured we saved close to $20,000 in replacement of that cable alone. And the cappers, that part, it's probably minuscule in price. We would have paid anything to get them, but they were just unavailable. I don't know how you quantify that financially, but it was a huge success for us. And it's just really blossomed to roughly 12, 13 items now in our file set of things we can print.
Being able to just print something out in 4 hours and install it, it's very helpful. It warms my heart that it's a part of a bigger success. Somewhere down the line, it might help a patient.
We clearly cannot modify any medical device, and that's not our intent. But if it's a disposable item, if it's something that helps protect the equipment, then that's where our goal is right now. We've already bought a bigger 3D printer. We're going to invest in some other technology. It does take quite a bit of time to print, but I think that's going to just get faster and faster, and the materials are going to get better, stronger. 2 years maybe we'll be into the metal printing. It's the future.